Hello, welcome to When Mother Nature Blows. Featured in this episode of When Mother Nature Blows is real footage caught on camera of the crazy moments of when Mother Nature in the UK starts blowing back. Is it revenge or does she do it for fun? You decide. Mother Nature blew the rain so hard down this busy city road you could hardly see where you was going. Can't help this one from laughing. Watch her. She's walking out. Bang! Ah! Thanks, Mother Nature. This is a politician. And again. Watch it again. Go on, watch it again. And again. Oh dear me. This one has to be the funniest one I've ever seen of when Mother Nature fights back. Was that revenge? Or should she do that for fun? What is it? Is it a plane? Is it a bird? No, it's a paddling pool. How'd they get up there? Wow. Look at that. This little girl's face though, look, she's so angry and upset. Oh. One of these seen one of these in the UK. That's shocking. Look at the size of it. Oh my god. Now that's Mother Nature fighting back, isn't it? She's blowing. She takes down this tree. Look at that. But these have been the best bits of when Mother Nature blows in the UK. Thank you for watching. It's been Pete Ashton, and look out for my next episode of When Mother Nature